Heliumphora, commonly known as sun pitchers, are a genus of carnivorous plants native to the highlands of South America, particularly in Venezuela and surrounding regions. They thrive in nutrient-poor soils, relying on their unique pitcher-shaped leaves to capture and digest insects for essential nutrients. These tubular leaves form a natural trap, with a slick, waxy interior and downward-facing hairs that prevent prey from escaping. Once an insect falls into the pitcher, it drowns in the accumulated rainwater and is gradually broken down by bacteria and digestive enzymes, releasing nitrogen and other nutrients for the plant's growth. Heliumphora species are particularly adapted to their harsh, mountainous environments, where frequent rainfall and cool temperatures create ideal conditions. Despite their specific habitat needs, they have become popular among carnivorous plant enthusiasts due to their striking appearance and fascinating method of nutrient acquisition. The yellow pitcher plant, Sarracenia flava *, is a striking carnivorous plant native to the southeastern United States, particularly in wetlands and bogs. It has tall, tubular leaves that form a distinctive yellow or greenish-yellow pitcher, which acts as a passive trap for insects. The inner walls of the pitcher are slick and lined with downward-pointing hairs, making it nearly impossible for prey to escape once they enter. Insects are attracted by the plant's nectar and bright colors, falling into the trap where they are drowned in a pool of digestive fluids at the bottom. Specialized enzymes and bacteria break down the prey, allowing the plant to absorb essential nutrients like nitrogen. This adaptation helps the yellow pitcher plant thrive in nutrient-poor, acidic soils. Known for its large size and vivid coloration, it is one of the most iconic and well-studied species of North American carnivorous plants. Aldrovanda, commonly known as the water wheel plant, Aldrovanda vesiculosa *, is a fascinating aquatic carnivorous plant found in nutrient-poor, freshwater habitats across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. It floats freely on the surface of the water, with no roots, relying on its highly specialized trapping mechanism to capture small aquatic organisms, such as tiny crustaceans and insects. Its traps resemble miniature Venus flytraps, but instead of being stationary, they form in whorls around the plant's stem, giving it a wheel-like appearance. When prey touches trigger hairs inside the trap, the two lobes snap shut in less than a second, ensnaring the organism. The plant then secretes enzymes to digest the prey, absorbing the nutrients needed for growth. This rapid movement and efficient feeding strategy help Aldrovanda survive in nutrient-deficient waters, making it one of the most unique and specialized carnivorous plants in the world. Byblis, commonly known as the rainbow plant, is a genus of carnivorous plants native to Australia and parts of Southeast Asia. They are named for the striking, shimmering appearance of their glandular hairs, which refract sunlight and create a rainbow-like effect. Byblis plants have long, slender, and upright leaves coated with sticky mucilage that glistens in the light, attracting small insects. Once an insect lands on the leaf, it becomes trapped by the sticky substance. The plant's glandular hairs then release enzymes to digest the prey, breaking down its proteins and extracting essential nutrients such as nitrogen. Unlike other carnivorous plants, Byblis lacks complex traps, relying on its adhesive leaves to capture food. These plants thrive in sandy or nutrient-poor soils, using their carnivory to supplement their diet. Their delicate beauty and fascinating adaptations make Byblis a favorite among carnivorous plant enthusiasts and collectors. The Sarraceniaceae family consists of carnivorous plants, including well-known genera such as Sarracenia, Darlingtonia, and Heliumphora *, native to the Americas. These plants are found in nutrient-poor environments, like bogs and wetlands, where their unique pitcher-shaped leaves have evolved to trap and digest insects. Each genus within the family has its own specific adaptations, but they all share the basic mechanism of passive carnivory. The pitchers form a deep cavity filled with digestive fluids or rainwater, where insects are attracted by bright colors, nectar, and scent. Once inside, the prey slips down the smooth, waxy walls of the pitcher and is trapped. Digestive enzymes or symbiotic bacteria break down the insects, allowing the plants to absorb essential nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. This carnivorous strategy compensates for the nutrient-poor soil they inhabit, making Sarraceniaceae a remarkable example of evolutionary adaptation in harsh environments.